y'all, welcome back to Soso's Kitchen, and today we back with another video. Today we're going to be doing Philly cheesesteak egg rolls, and here goes everything that we have in it. So we have our onions, we have our green bell peppers, we have our water and egg yolk mixed together to seal up the egg rolls. We have our Philly steak. Over here, we have our provolone, we have our egg roll wrappers, and we have this chipotle ranch sauce that goes very good with it. And we have our Montreal steak grilled by Grill Mates. I love that with this. I mean, people got their own little seasonings they use, but I love the Montreal steak. So yeah, let's get up into this video. We get this cut up. You want to always wash your meat off. Me, I use white vinegar and water to rinse all my meat off. We're waiting on our vegetables to saute. We're gonna go ahead and just add our Montreal steak seasoning to our steak. And then we're gonna mix it all in. I'm putting to stir it with. Add a little bit more. We want to go ahead and add our steak. Okay, y'all, this is what it looks like when it's done. Make sure it's all the way done. You want to make sure it's brown, cooked all the way through. Incorporate those vegetables really good. Next, we're going to go ahead and start rolling these wraps. Okay, y'all, so what you want to do now, you want to go ahead and grab one of your egg roll wrappers. Put it right here on the plate. You're going to grab your brush, dip it in that egg wash, just spread it on the corners, or you could just do the corners and not the whole egg roll, but I prefer to do all four sides. I want to make sure it's sealed. So after we do that, you want to go ahead and add 2 pieces of cheese. Put it right in the middle. Your steak. Actually, you want to make sure it's this way. Turn it that way. You can put as much as you want in there. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead, roll it. Take one side, make sure that meat stay in there. Take one side, then you want to take the other side and just roll. Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Adding my last one here. And look at that, y'all. Let's go ahead and open one up. They still hot, but we about to go ahead and open one up. Ooh. Y'all, it is hot. Look at that. That's what you want it to look like. Yes, y'all. Dip it in this Chipotle ranch. Look at that. Y'all, it's so good. So good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment to my video. If you made these before, drop it in the comments and let me know what you all put in yours, or if you did something different to your Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. But these, y'all, oh my God. Y'all, thanks for watching my video. See y'all next time.